Okay, As I was doing today's video is called "Why is Jupiter the King of the Planets?" Yeah, I was going to make this title "Why is Jupiter cooling off?" But instead, I remade it but I remade it as Jupiter. Why is Jupiter the King of the Planets? Because couldn't find the article about that. So, but Jupiter cooling off. But the reason why the gas planets are cooling off is because while they're far away from the sun and they're losing more heat that they're getting. I think it only like and I think they can only last for thousands of years, not millions or billions or trillions of years. So, and they believe these planets are billions of years old. But if they're billions of years old, they would be cooled off by now, and they would have lost their magnetic field, and they would have lost their rings too. So I know that they're wrong, and the Bible is right, and um, and they don't care what the Bible says, so they're stupid anyway. Yeah, they're stupid idiots. That's what they are. Anyway, so here it is. So here's an article called Jupiter, King of the Planets and Testament to Our Creator. Why is Jupiter called King of the Planets? Well, it's because it's the biggest planet of our solar system. That's why. So Jupiter is the largest planet solar system. It's going to object going to dwarfs the Earth. Indeed, about over 1,300 Earth-sized objects could visit Jupiter, but it mass 2.5 times all the planets combined. Where did the beautiful planet come from? The Bible tells us that Jupiter, with the heavy objects, on day 4 of the creation, which is after 1 14 and 19. However, evolutionary astronomers denied the biblical account. They claim that Jupiter formed the natural process of 4.6 billion years ago. Fortunately, for them, Jupiter possesses enormous amount of those wishing to deny the creation of our solar system. The gas giant. Unlike Earth, Jupiter is mostly gas, but it's mostly solid rocky and deep inside. We don't know it for sure, but Jupiter is about 5 times the sun, 5 times far from the sun is because it has vast distance. Jupiter appears to be our 9 times sky as a white star because, however, thanks to its massive size, the smallest telescope reveal isn't a star but a planet, but it looks like a disk, looks like a point of light. Jupiter's most features is a great red spot. So in its final solar system, it's even larger than Earth. The storm is raging continuously at least 300 days. We all know it. It might be in a place instead this planet's creation. How can Jupiter exist? Jupiter is just it's a beautiful object in the sky. Exists of processes. We know this challenge, and who want to believe that evolutionary origin of our universe. Instead of evolutionary explanation of our solar system, if informed as on the gas and dust about 4.6 billion years ago, and the cloud collapsed into a dark collapsed into a disk shape. The dust guns into grains, and it's to stick together to become small rocks, and the small rocks together become larger rocks. The major problem is that fast moving rocks are bounced off rather than stick. When evolution is the rocky planets like Venus and Earth are formed of larger rocks by gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn initially in the same way, but contrast to inner planets, giant planets that were far enough for the sun ice to condense. Therefore, mass is going to be 10 times as much material as we contain today. With the help of ice, the diminution of solar gravity has resulted in them forming of gas planets, and you see today, you see the other rings because of the cores of the gas planets and the graduation of the core extraction model. The story has been filled until today. It is books, magazines, videos on how. Okay, however, scientists know for a long time this model isn't true. Okay, the falsified model. The model has at least 4 fatal problems. Problem 1, it makes the prediction to the sense on Jupiter. However, in 1985, Galileo spacecraft dropped a probe into Jupiter's atmosphere. Evolutionists, however, shocked to discover that Jupiter's atmosphere was containing high objects of certain gases, organ, xenon, and Krypton. Evolutionary models, they say these elements can be in such high concentrations. And it's important it's evolutionary astronomers explain. Jupiter is the largest of the planets. The results reveal reveal the embarrassing what we know. And I think I know where it formed. Okay. Now, problem two. There's a areas have a rocky large core, that 10 times larger than the entire Earth. As we discover the core of the can be large and even close. When we okay. As of 6 Earth, it may also not exist at all. Number three, the model requires 10 million years. Now, rocks and gas you form Jupiter, but it's scientists it would take a bit longer, 100 million years at least. The scientists are going to this. Okay, the disk of the disk and gas will be around for the sun. The long many scientists around it is stuck in the sphere for less than 5 million years at the time, and even no time for Jupiter form. From forward, if gas and dust is long enough, you would get it to Jupiter from it. But recent company situations have revealed the same problem the correlation model. A gas giants would form within the disk, and they would interact with gravity and just remaining in the disk. It turns that in these interactions would have only developed planets and were towards the sun. So Jupiter, both Mercury and Saturn swirl inwards until they step into the sun. This will occur when the radiation turns 200 years after they started to form. Obviously, according to evolution, they shouldn't be there at all. No wonder evolution is like the complaint this one. Building Jupiter has been long promised for years. You go this one. Building of Jupiter has been existed. Jupiter's on evolution and it comes to. Okay, wait. So okay. No, so Jupiter's a wonderful illustration of principle in science. When you reject the truth and you have to accept the lie. Evolutions are rejected the biblical creation, therefore they accepted the best evolutionary alternative, even though the model has been denied for multiple times of evidence. It must be true. Over and over again, the model explore the falsehood. As one evolution recently, the predictions about plenty of information have been wrong. Another complaint I think has been a couple of years and still cannot work. Yet evolutionists are decaying in this model of believing the evidence against it or being to accept the truth. Jupiter states about its creator. Before evolutionists are committing bankrupt, its own seed could not create his handiwork and a domestic planet. Okay, let's think about it. Jupiter besides beauty, a wonderful testament of our creator, but God in the Bible who the stars and planets for our benefits into verse 19, but also us. Okay, there. So that's what Jupiter is about. Now I want you how to get saved according to the Bible. Okay, so I want to go to the book of the Bible. Okay, guys. So that's what the planets are about. Now I'm going to show you how to get saved. So that's what the planet Jupiter is about. Now I'm going to show you how to get saved. Point of evolution is the damn souls to hell. Also, the point of the flat Earth theory is the damn souls to hell as well. When you go to heaven, we will choose Christ obviously by faith on the grace on choose Christ alone, and when you say the truth, and you can't do this as a razor. But by ease, we said salvation is easy. Okay, all you do is just believe in Jesus Christ for salvation. And our next video is Okay, so the next video is what does Bible say about Saturn? We'll talk about that next video. We're gonna go right now. So thank you for watching this video. Enjoy. So bye.